In today's climate, it's definitely a little chaotic to try to operate multiple businesses. So if you're not operating efficiently, you potentially are losing money in a rapid pace. I'm Martin Murch, chef, managing member, and co-founder of Good Eats Group Chicago. So in Good Eats Group portfolio, right, are 6 different identified brands, which each one operate in their own cuisine, operate in their own space. Mac and I want to believe that our enterprise is pretty sophisticated to begin with because of our corporate experience.
My name is John Mclean, but everyone calls me Mac. My role is the owner and chef. Being that we're a small business, we actually run it like a large corporation. And Microsoft 365 lets us do that.
The Excel platform is just critical to our day-to-day operations. We've created what we consider our daily log to be able to pull data from our POS to give us reporting function that we feel is important. And whether it's a snapshot of the actual day to where are we trending for the end of the year. The Outlook application simplifies so much. So when you're putting Teams meeting into your Outlook and you're sending out those invites, everybody can accept it. OneDrive is also our application so that any of our important analytics is saved there, and then multiple managers can access them.
I can work at any location. I can pull up any kind of report that I actually want. Using Microsoft 365 has been so beneficial for us because it keeps us nimble. We can actually move faster, look at reports faster, make decisions quicker, and then get back in those businesses.